this is a really attractive angle, but hello and welcome to the farm vlog number 2. This is my intro. I don't know if Lani's doing an intro, but hopefully we'll remember to vlog because we're going for 2 nights this time. So get keen. I've had a shower and we're about to head off. I'm getting keen. Should be a really good time. I'm going to Lani's, and then when we get there we are going to Ruth's, and then we'll go to the train station. Hey vlog. So Lani's trying to make, what are we making, jaffles? And she can't get the plug out. Yeah. Are you vlogging for the farm? Vlog for the farm. Farm vlog. This is where we should have stopped last time. This is what it's like being early. This is what it's like not being. Whoa! Wow. Okay. So we made it, and we're the first ones here. We made it earlier than last time. Can you see what my bum looks like? Mine looks like that. It's fine, I guess.
Everybody's here.
Hello.
Get
Vlog number 2.
What's up?
We're at the train station.
Sure. Okay, so
Living our life.
hello. We are on the bus. It smells like pain. It smells like pain. We're all dying a little bit. I don't know how long we'll be on here. Ruth probably knows, but so should I take the 2:45? A fat. Back at it. It's been like 10 minutes. Molly's looking 8 times more model than I am, but that's okay. That's a lot. What's up? We just stuck some shit. That's a secret, Molly. Hello. Cool. Nothing much is happening. We stuck some shit. Even though we're not allowed, smells kind of gone away. It has. I feel like I'm just. We got an update on the time. Update on the time? What is it? 45 to 7, 38 minutes. 38 minutes. Theoretically. We are in the car on the way. Ooh. Getting lit. Agreed. With this cold. I like it. Sorry. Hey guys, we're here. You might recognize this place from last year. Oh my god. Everyone move. Oh my god, over there. How far can I go? There's no telling how far I'll go. Just
mine will do it at the same time.
Spirit, like what is it? Javelin.
Yeah, javelin.
Yeah, I do like javelin.
Oh my god, whatever that is, it's moving.
Wait, what is it?
Ah!
What is it?
Oh, it's Ruth. Oh god. It does.
Hey guys.
Yeah, Bernie.
Maybe take a run up or something.
Take a run up. Everyone watch out, Bernie's gonna actually hit someone.
Hands.
Molly, watch out.
Go, Bernie. Don't fall in.
She's gonna slip and die.
Yeah! Boom, boom, boom. Let me hear say whale. Whale! It does. So we're going downstairs. Ruth and I'm getting bananas because it's snack time. Everyone else is upstairs because I won Cards Against Humanity. I got an individual hug from everyone. It was great. I'm still thriving off it. Siobhan, Ruth, Lani and I still need to let her dance, which is going to be interesting, but we'll see how we go.
Still look pretty. Yay!
Ooh.
What's up? Silver Twilight?
Civil Twilight.
Civil Twilight.
They're all taking photos.
They're doing something.
Look, it's golden hour. Look at us. A little bit gold past. A little bit
Gorgeous. Silver hour. We love it. What a time.
Hey, it's the squad in the house.
Whoa!
Hey, we're out of the house. We are living our best life. Ruth, are you living your best life? How are you, Gabby?
Yeah, good. Tired.
Everyone else?
Good.
This camera makes everyone look really good. Country roads. Hey guys, don't look at the cards. Oh, you can because we're.
Sorry.
So we're playing Dixit. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Dixit.
Let's give it this.
That's the game name.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Alright, hi.
The theme for this round is freedom.
So guess who's winning at the moment?
If you're voting for
We didn't vote for ourselves, okay? That was last year's news.
So we're playing sardines.
If you're gonna stay.
We're counting so that hey Gabby, come into the shower with me.
I think it's been a minute.
It's not been a minute.
No, it hasn't been a minute yet. Are you kidding?
They've got their own.
Alright, not a problem. That's fine.
We're doing a whole
No, that's fine.
I'm not even mad.
That's hard.
Wait, we should pass the phone down.
Okay, pass it down.
Oh.
You weren't in it last
Hey. Hi.
Hi.
It's your turn. You need to hold it, Lonnie.
Oh, hold on. I wasn't ready. Hello. Do I hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
Whatever. Not a problem. Night squad, we're going to bed.
Good night. I love how I'm saying goodnight to a vlog when it's probably like, you can't.
Bernie. Are you okay?
Expecting like my bed. I was like, Ruthie, when did we have to get up for church tomorrow?
Wait, so,
American version of it, and that was
See you in the morning.
bad vlog.
Bye vlog. Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, hi.
I don't know if I'm leaving in the good morning.
Let's move that cup for you.
No, she's not in that. Oh, I was ready for round 2. That was the most unsuccessful thing, but.
did you wash it this morning?
Yeah, I run it and brush it.
Oh, I want to do that. Yeah. You can wash it, but like.
What?
Oh yeah. We are doing vlog time.
The lighting is so nice here.
I can't see anything.
Hello.
I need the light.
Oh my god, it looks so good in the light.
Sorry,
You know, I like it like that.
Hey guys, I'm laying down because the windows are open. I want my head to feel my I just don't want it to get ruined.
I'm fine.
It's here! It's number 10! Not you. Thank you, dog. So I finished at church. It was good. It was great. I feel holy. With the choir. Yeah, we were in choir apparently. Paris, yeah, Paris. We are in, where are we? A bookshop? But it's got like clothing. In the Paul store. Oh, it is. Hello. We just went into an op shop and I bought pants. They match my rose dogs.
Whoa, I tried on pants, but they didn't look good.
I tried on pants and bought them, and it was really good.
Slay. We all slay.
My jeans. Hello.
Slay.
I haven't decided.
Pretty woman.
We're at the creek, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi, oi.
Oh, we've done this. Yeah.
Look at Siobhan, she's a model.
Oh my god, stop it.
She looks so good.
I can't do your accent.
Oh no, Siobhan.
Like everything that you.
Hello. The end is near.
It's a rat, I mean, it's a vlog.
Hi.
Do you think a photo takes this long to take?
Maybe. Yeah. What? Wait, what?
Ready, photo.
Getting a photo takes as long to take.
Hey, Vsauce. Michael here.
I want to go to that tree.
Which one?
That one.
I'll go with you.
Let's go. Let's walk.
We have to hold hands because
Let's go.
careful of the dung.
Oh, yeah, tree.
Oh no.
I'm fine.
Oh, you're vlogging. You're vlogging too. Oh my god. Oh my god. Vlogception. Woo. Let's go.
That one.
You might want to be very careful because it's very muddy and you might fall.
We could do it. Okay, we could do it, but be careful. We have to be careful. Look at this. We're going down to that tree. We're really far away from where we're supposed to be.
You can take cool photos.
Hey! Look, mushroom. I'm sort of scared of it because, like, TBH. Look at us. Living our life. Scream! Scream! Yee! Going back up the hill now. Oh, we were getting a photo. I got a photo before. We still have so far to go. Whether Pasito or iced tea is better.
Iced tea is better.
Vote down in the comments.
Iced tea is better. You are outnumbered. Actually, we are outnumbered. Iced tea.
They don't sell Pasito at the cafe.
Exactly my point.
Why do you think that?
Because it's too good.
Iced tea is better.
Well, they would never sell a canned drink at the cafe, do you think?
No.
Dangerous in a way.
Probably.
Sports drink?
Like Powerade.
No, like. Oh, yes, they do. Or else they used to. Yeah. I remember.
Just like, oh, okay, cool. Thanks. Talk another time.
Look what we're doing, bros.
What are you doing, mate? I don't know why I came all the way over here to give you yours and then. Thank you.
So basically, that worked so well. We've had dinner. I had 2 snacks. We're chilling. Molly's living her best life on the guitar. That's what's going on.
And she doesn't clean herself. She doesn't partake in any form of face.
We're currently just.
Have you seen that video?
I can't film. Hello, I figured out how to tripod.
And at the bottom of her
Ruth's chair. Say hi, Ruth.
black from like dirt. And something
Still works. I tried to say hi and it just happened. Alrighty, so hi.
Okay, so Izzy's gonna roast a marshmallow. She looks very excited.
I am.
Wow, this lighting is really fun.
It is. Wow, that's the flash on. Oh yes. We have to start the video again.
That's cute.
Actually, I wasn't scared of it.
This is really good.
Oh, ET spilling while I'm recording. Oh my gosh. Ready for flames?
Let's get lit.
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
You know it.
what a cool kid.
I am.
Yeah, it needs to be like not sharp. Like it needs to be like, oh gosh.
Weird.
Because it works.
Oh my god. It's like
Are you gonna eat the rest of it?
Yeah.
So the lighting looks amazing on your phone. Siobhan, how are you enjoying the fire?
A 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
Yep.
That's pretty high.
How's Ruth enjoying
And
it?
Bernie's like trying to kill the fire.
How about the church songs, guys? I wanted different church songs.
I want to be on the bottom, so scream all. Are we ready? No, stop. Just ready? 3, 2, 1, lit! Hey. Oh, I'm vlogging. Hang on. Hey, Ruth's like getting changed like right next to me, but we just played some more games. We played charades downstairs. I didn't vlog for ages from dinner. We played charades. Funny.
It was really good. I mean, I wasn't there for the charades, but then we were
We
drawing.
were playing Pictionary.
It was really good, yeah.
And
then
then
Cards Against Humanity.
Cards Against Humanity, and then now we're going to bed, I think.
Look at them.
So yeah, we're
Yeah, having a good time.
living our best life, and that's the tea. We might be going to bed. I hope this vlog isn't a year and a half long, but I feel like all of the vlog segments are like really out of it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What? I mean, we're all like delirious.
We're very tired. I think we're just like, what words am I saying out of my
Blah,
mouth?
blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
What's the time?
I don't know.
8?
No, it's way later than 8. It's way later than 8.
Oh, it's 10:30.
You're like, it's 8? It's 10:30. No, I thought it was 10:30. Cool. Might see you tomorrow, might see you later. Good morning. It's actually like 10 o'clock now. Hello. I've got my tassel tie and a bucket hat on. And oh my god, we're about to go to the beach. I didn't vlog because when I woke up I was dead. I was like, yeah. And then we played like a trivia game and had to pack up from last night's charades, teacher charades. That was pretty funny. So probably see you later. Squad. Everyone else is lame. I take it back. I'm vlogging. We're gonna miss you, Molly.
Oh my god, I love you guys. My whole
How was your experience?
in my opinion, it was really good. I really loved it, especially that fire. We were like walking along the paddock thing.
Yeah, I respect that. Quality, yeah. Thank you for a lit time.
Thank you.
And I will miss you, Molly.
I'll miss you.
I have a good train ride home. Are you going now?
Oh no, I'm going at like 11 or so.
Okay,
That's when it comes.
That's soon. I will miss you. I love you. My heart. We found a dog. I love him. His name's Oscar.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Gross. Story time, we all almost drowned.
Wow, it was so wild. Me, Siobhan, and Izzy were all stuck out and we couldn't get in, and it was really funny because there was a really bad current.
There was a current, and then Bernie and I, we got dunked by a wave and like grabbed onto each other while we were both like drowning. We lived though, because there's a lifeguard nearby, but we lived else otherwise. How's everyone feeling after that?
A little tired.
I will be like hit. Oh, I got me
Siobhan's like dying a little bit. Cool, we're getting at lunch.
Oh my gosh. You need to get a new one.
I know, it's
They're so gorgeous.
Oh, St. George.
So we're waiting for some lunch.
yeah.
I got a veggie burger and some chips with chicken salt. I'm very excited.
I'm wearing this and I wore this to get my food, like to order it, and I feel like I look a little bit like an idiot. That's okay. I'm covered in salt. Everyone's looking at me.
I'm pretty hungry. I'm ready for a snack. Also, I'm very tired. I just got dumped for like a billion hours.
Yeah, it's like 10 meters.
It literally
Yeah,
was
well.
like.
What do you do? You just spin. Like, get on it. I'm putting my phone away. I'm putting it away. Mia just shook the sunscreen bottle and it went all over her. Oh no.
It's a good time.
Here we are in the where are we? Just chilling on the grass. I'm really impatient. I want ice cream now, but I have to wait. So like, you know. Oh,
Each way.
nice. Look at that. You're like. To go. Oh no 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 no. That's mine. Do you want to sit here with me? Yeah. Look at my pants. They're cool.
No, we'll be eating a lot of ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant like sitting in sounds eating ice cream.
Okay, so now that I've eaten my Chevy and I'm ready to go with this filming, we have, what did we do? We went to the sandbar, like that's pretty much what it was. It's under the water, I think now. Or maybe it went out, I don't know. So we did that. We went and got more ice cream. And it's 3:45. Can you focus on the background? Yeah. It's 3:45 and we are going to take photos.
Can I have some?
And then we're going to the bus stop, and then it will be almost over for the second time.
I think the Tim Tam is sort of a rip-off.
Sort of a rip-off?
Tastes like chocolate.
Give your review.
The Tim Tam one tastes like chocolate. I'm disappointed, but I'm trying salted
You know what
caramel.
doesn't disappoint? A good old rainbow paddle pop ice had one.
You know what wasn't actually disappointing? That Mars. It didn't taste like chocolate, it tasted like Mars.
Mia had down at
How are you going, Paris?
I'm gonna go cycling.
Are you in the camera? Like
Cyclone?
Yeah, I'm in the
Cyclone.
cycling.
Like, it's made of cologne.
Just a little bit. Do you want any more?
Sorry?
Do you want any more? Give me a bit more.
No, not you, Yusman.
Yeah.
Give me.
Hello.
Give me.
10 out of 10 stickers.
Yeah. Okay.
Those. Oh, what is that? That's a good hug. Is it? Yeah! I vlogged it!
Let me see.
Hey Ruth.
Oh, hi.
Bernie.
Yeah?
Gabby.
Yeah?
Oh, just vlog time. Vlog time.
Oh, hi. It's vlog time.
Yeah.
So what is it?
Everyone's like, oh, vlog.
When is it this time? Hello.
Hey, what's up? I know we're savages right now. Oh, we're such savages.
Yeah, we're not allowed to eat on the bus, so.
Don't tell on us.
Yeah.
Type right for the visual. C++. How file. How many yaks can a yak pack yak? Yak pack could pack yaks.
So we're still on the train. It's been about 2 hours. We almost actually missed the train because of I didn't even see you behind me. Lani's a little bit travel sick right now, but and she's also half napped, half in a nap. But we're living. Everyone's silent now that I'm vlogging. We're in the quiet carriage, and we've not really been that quiet. I'm really sorry to everyone. I've been playing Swala. We're about to get in the car, and we're gonna go pick up my brother, and then we're gonna drop Lani home, and we're gonna play Jason Derulo the whole time. Should be a good time. I'm getting keen. I don't know how I'm gonna end the vlog, but I'll figure it out, because last time I ended it about 5 months too late. So hopefully maybe we won't do that this time. This is the goodbye because we have like 3 minutes till we have to get out of here. Bye. Bye. Thanks for being in the vlog. Bye.
Driving me home. Bye.
Bye. See you when it eventually gets uploaded. Bye. Oh my god. So it is literally 5 months later. Again, it's the 1st of September. That was filmed early April. It was really fun editing that. Realized I didn't do an outro. This happened last year as well. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, hopefully I actually upload it tonight, which I will. I promise I will. I'm about to literally put this clip in and upload it right now. So thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed the farm. It was so good. Have a really good day / night, everyone who's watching this. Bye.